Tired of compromising your primary card details for every online purchase? Union Bank's virtual credit cards offer a revolutionary solution for secure and worry-free digital transactions. Let's dive into how to generate and utilize these powerful digital tools first. Ensure you have the Union Bank mobile app downloaded and installed on your smartphone. Log in securely using your existing credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Cards section. You'll typically find an option to manage cards or virtual cards. Tap on this to proceed. Within the card management screen, look for an option to create virtual card or a similar prompt, often indicated by a plus icon. Tap this to begin the generation process. Now, you'll need to provide some details to customize your virtual card. You can assign a descriptive name, like online shopping or subscription service. For easy tracking, you can also set a specific transaction limit for added control and choose an expiry date that suits your needs. After reviewing your chosen settings, confirm the creation of your virtual card. Union Bank will immediately generate a unique set of card details: a virtual card number, expiration date, and link to your primary account, but acting as a separate entity. You can now confidently use these virtual card details for your online purchases, subscriptions, or any digital transaction. Your primary card number remains safe and unexposed, significantly reducing the risk of fraud. For added convenience, you can often add your virtual card to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay for seamless in-app or contactless payments. By leveraging Union Bank's virtual credit cards, you're not just making payments. You're actively enhancing your online security. Stay safe, stay protected, and shop with confidence.